Hello everyone, welcome to the SleepPlay YouTube channel. My name is Ozzy, I'm the respiratory therapist with sleepplay.com. If you're interested in sleep apnea and sleep apnea therapy, you might want to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. In today's video, we're going to be going over cleaning and maintenance of the ResMed AirSense 11. With proper care, your ResMed AirSense 11 device can last you for many years of quality therapy. The first thing you want to do is make sure you unplug your device. You can do this by going to the back of the machine and pulling out the plug. Next, you're going to want to remove all the parts from the machine, like the water chamber, the filter, and your tubing and mask setup. You want to set these aside because you're going to be cleaning these separately. To clean the machine, you can get a damp cloth and just go over, take off all the dust. You're also going to want to do that to your nightstand. Make sure that there's no dust or debris on the nightstand. While you're doing this, you want to make sure that you inspect your machine for any cracks, any damage that the machine can possibly have, especially on the little filter cover. That filter door, since it pops open and up, the little sticks tend to break off. When you're checking that filter cover, you want to make sure to clean out all the dust and debris that can be in the filter area. You can do this with a soft bristle brush and a damp cloth. Now on the back of the machine, you want to inspect the air outlet. If the air outlet has any debris, any mold, you want to make sure to take it off and clean it. Yes, you can take this off. Where you put the humidifier, on the inside there's going to be a little tab that you can press and that'll pop out that air outlet. You want to make sure to clean this air outlet with warm soapy water. Make sure that there's no mold or debris growing inside there. When you go to put it back into the machine, it snaps into place. When you get to the humidifier section, you want to make sure to take a damp cloth and make sure you clean everything in there. Make sure to inspect that there's no damage. Remember all those parts we took off in the beginning? Now we're going to clean those. The water chamber, the tubing, and the mask. As far as the mask, you're going to take off the elbow and the seal, and you're going to set aside the headgear. This is what we're going to be cleaning. The mask, seal, the elbow, tubing, and water chamber. Head on over to your sink. Make sure you get that warm soapy water solution going, and you're going to want to submerge all of this, clean it very well, and rinse it out. Let it air dry. You can put it on top of a clean towel. You want to make sure not to get a paper towel and rub it inside. That'll leave fibers that can get into your lungs. This is the perfect timing to check all your parts. Make sure that there's no cracks, any rips in the seal of your mask. Make sure that your water container is not cracked. Big improvement from the ResMed AirSense 10. ResMed now put the seal on the water chamber, so it's a lot easier to clean the seal and there's no permanent seal on the machine. For a weekly cleaning tip, you want to make sure to get your water chamber, submerge it in a solution of 1 part white vinegar, 1 part water. You want to leave it for 15-20 minutes, rinse it out, and let it air dry. Once all the parts are nice and clean, you want to reassemble your machine. Once your machine's put back together, you're going to want to go ahead and put it on your nightstand. Remember what I said previously? You want your nightstand to be free and clear of any debris that can restrict the airflow to the machine. You want your machine placed on a nice flat surface at the height of the bed or below the height of the bed. You never want to put the machine above the height of the bed. You also want to make sure that the machine is on the side of the bed where you sleep. You want the shortest distance between you and the machine. You don't want your tubing to get overstretched and your machine to fall off the nightstand and get damaged. For those of you that want to know how to clean the AirSense 10, the previous model to the AirSense 11, click on the link above. Another little quick tip is you want to make sure to always use distilled water. You don't want to use dirty CPAP water. If you want to know more, click on the link above. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this video helps you maintain your AirSense 11 device. If you have any questions or feel like I missed something, please comment down below. Signing out from the SleepPlay Studios, my name is Ozzy. Until next time.